Well, hospitals around the nation are having a difficult time filling orders for those personal protective equipment. Particularly, they're looking for the N95 masks.
But some crafty North Texans are pitching in to help. Madison joins us now from her home with today's Ones for Texas. Good morning, Madison.
Hey, good morning, guys. Great to see y'all this morning. My email has been flooded with photos of North Texas sewing hospital masks over the past week. I've probably received close to 100 different photos of people, ranging from people that are young to the old to advanced seamstresses to beginner seamstresses, but everyone seems to be sewing these hospital masks, and they know that these fabric masks do not replace the critical N95 mask for healthcare workers, but some healthcare workers are choosing to use those fabric hospital masks as an extra layer of protection, and also say that it might even elongate the life of those critical N95 masks. So people have gotten together and have started sewing, including a 13-year-old named Haley.
Especially with all this stuff going on, it's nice to feel like you're actually making a difference in it, because it's kind of hard. It's kind of out of our control right now, like us personally, but knowing that I can like at least help a few people in our community, that it feels really good.
Pretty wise for a 13-year-old. Haley's mom actually works in healthcare, so Haley knew firsthand the urgent need for masks, and she said she wanted to do what she could to help. So she says the biggest reward has been seeing the joy on the recipients' faces as they send her photos of them wearing those critical masks. And guys, what we're finding is that people are not just donating these hospital masks, these fabric masks, to healthcare workers, but also so many other organizations that are those essential employees that are still working in this tough day and age.
Right, and we don't always think about those folks. Madison, it isn't just individuals, too, who are pitching in to help meet this need. Also, some local companies are helping out. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, there's some local manufacturing plants that have literally switched production from one thing to hospital masks. In fact, that's happening at Victory Awning in Fort Worth. Take a look at some of the video of their factory and how it is completely flipped to producing hospital masks. You can see that the large table that usually creates large awnings like you would see at car dealerships is now being used to mass produce fabric masks for North Texas organizations. So far, just since last week, they have made and donated nearly 1,000 masks to local organizations like Idea Public Schools, which is currently making lunches for those in need. They've also donated to dementia care facilities, Safe Haven, and even CPS.
Did research online and found a simple mask template, and roll out the fabric, and the machine cuts those out, and then our seamstresses put those pieces together.
And Russ and Karen, Chandri actually told me that they were producing those fabrics and material cutouts faster than they could actually sew. So she reached out on social media to see if there were any other local seamstresses that might be able to pitch in and help sew together those pieces to make those masks. And she says she has received dozens of people on their front doorstep at the company wanting to pitch in and help out to meet the needs of their fellow North Texans. So very cool to see.